Guys, today I will be showing you how to set up your Netgear Wi-Fi extender. So this will be a really quick tutorial, but I hope you get the information you want and that you can set up your own Netgear Wi-Fi extender. So start with unpacking your package. I have already done this. Take your power supply and plug it into a power source. Next thing you want to do, or the next thing you see, is a orange lamp, like this. Just wait for the light to turn to green, and you will see the Netgear Wi-Fi extender in your internet manager on your computer. So I will go into my computer and show you there. So hang on. Wi-Fi extender has been turned to green, and you are ready to go. Go to your internet manager and find the Netgear extender. So I'll disconnect it. I connected to it, but connect to it and click connect to the network without setting it up. So now we are connected, but the internet doesn't work. So we will need to find or use or type our default gateway IP address in our address bar. To find your own IP address, go to Start, type CMD, or click Windows key and R. Now type CMD and click OK. The command prompt will pop up, and here you can simply type ipconfig, click enter, and go up until you see default gateway under wireless LAN adapter wireless network connection. So this is the address we will need, so type that in our address bar. So I have already typed it. So now we will come to the Netgear setup page. Sorry for my bad network connection or my bad computer. So you will automatically be starting a smart wizard or a setup. So now it is 100%. Now we will need to find our existing network, the network you want to connect to or extend. So this is mine. Click continue. Now we will need to now we'll have to enter the passphrase, so the password to your existing network. I will go and grab mine. Wait. Here you can enter a name for the extended network. So I want to call mine Gabriel's network. Just click. If you want another passphrase, you click use the same, or you uncheck the use the same security and passphrase as those for the existing network. You can leave this as it is and just change this passphrase. You can maybe have something like guest password 123 or something. but I will just type password haha. So click continue and click OK. So now the smart wizard will configure or finalize the settings. So now an alert box will pop up and say the extended network name SSID has been changed to Gabriel's network. Follow the instruction to complete the setup. You are now one step away from completing the installation. Do not click until you have performed the action below. So use your wireless profile management software such as Windows, example shown below, Netgear adapter wizard, etc. Connect to this PC to the extender network by using the information listed under extender network below. Once you are done, click I have connected to the extender network to complete the installation. So go to your internet manager and click on your network. Mine is Gabriel's network. Click connect. You will now be asked for the passphrase if you have one. Mine is password haha. So click OK. So once you have connected to the network, you're going to just click home network or whatever you want. You will have to click I have connected to the extender network. So now you'll get to a success page where it says congratulations, the extender has successfully connected to your existing network. And if you look at your Wi-Fi extender, all the lamps should be turned green. Now click finish. Click OK. So now you can check if the network is working. Go to Google, or just I typed it wrong, but yeah, you see it is working. So thank you guys for watching. I hope someone learned something from this, and yeah.